Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's December 29, 2025. Experts say immigration and trade continue to underpin US-India relations, keeping the partnership resilient despite recent diplomatic strains. Analysts warn India faces its most serious strategic challenge in Bangladesh since its creation in 1971, with political instability posing regional security risks. Indian Americans continue to play a pivotal role in the US tech ecosystem, driving innovation, startups, and leadership across Silicon Valley. This legal analysis examines whether forcibly pulling a woman or girl's hand constitutes a criminal offense under Indian law, highlighting consent and intent. A commentary critiques the growing reliance on superficial policy gimmicks, arguing they distract from meaningful reform and long-term solutions. Health experts outline 7 practical lifestyle changes that can realistically improve digestion without extreme diets or fads. India has formally raised concerns with the US over prolonged H-1B visa delays, citing their impact on skilled professionals and businesses. A group of 127 US lawmakers has called on the Trump administration to abandon the public charge overhaul, warning it harms immigrant families. ISRO has successfully placed the US Bluebird BLOCK-2 satellite into low Earth orbit, strengthening India's role in commercial space launches. Starbucks has appointed Indian-origin executive Anand Varadarajan as Chief Technology Officer, signaling a push toward digital innovation. HD Medical's new HD State device enables real-time ECG and heart sound monitoring at the point of care, enhancing rapid diagnosis. Google has launched its emergency location service in India, improving accuracy for emergency responders during distress calls. Reports show India is rapidly becoming a global AI hub, as US tech firms invest billions in talent, research, and infrastructure. Rating agency ICRA projects India's GDP growth at 7.4% in FY26, supported by domestic demand and investment momentum. 2 Indian Americans have been appointed to New York City's Rent Guidelines Board, adding diverse representation to housing policy decisions. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has named Padmaja Patel to the state's Nutrition Advisory Panel, recognizing her public health leadership. Pranita Venkatesh has made history by becoming mayor of San Carlos, marking a milestone for Indian American political representation. Montgomery County Council President Neil Makhija led the unanimous passage of the county's budget, emphasizing consensus governance. Actor Salman Khan released the teaser of Battle of Galwan on his birthday, drawing attention to the film's patriotic theme. Young cricketer Ayush Mahatre has been named captain of India's Under-19 team for the upcoming World Cup. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.